Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Look around how we're gonna actually buy a ticket here. Or do we even need to buy a ticket? I don't know. It's like, there are two things I forgot during my vacation. It's like, one, I forgot my crossbody bag. That's effed up, man. and two, I forgot my sunglasses. So freaking hell, man. I gotta buy those things. Well, sunglasses is not too bad. You know, you don't have to exactly have the uh, thing. So you got multiple stuff you can do. You can do elephant riding, horse carriages, Thai costume rent. But we only want to do the temple thing, I guess. All right, I just got a ticket, man. They give you this blue bracelet, and the ticket was 500 baht. And you can see it over here. What the hell are the animals over here? Goats. Goats everywhere. You cannot enter the temple without having the tour guide. They said it's 1 hour. It's good fun, I guess. And the DJI was allowed, so that is nice. You can vlog during the museum tour. I'm not always a big fan of tours, but in this case you have to do it, I guess. So you can do rowing boat, horse carriages, mini zoo, speedboat, foot massage, Thai costume, those kind of things. Which is not too bad. Like you can do more stuff than only like the temple. But the main attraction is of course the temple. We got a helmet. It's mandatory to wear these things, apparently. Okay, nice.
Pieces of wood to join them together, and most of the times they only use the glue to hold it stronger. At the top is a carrying pole to carry the weight so that this will not be moved. The knowledge are coming from Pattaya, like ancient Thai workers, from many branches passed on to generations to generations. Perhaps tomorrow you can come back again to apply for the job. Alright, now let's move on right here. Everyone, this way. Alright, everyone over here. This way, this way. Everyone right here, so that you will put that so we can find.
Wow, look at this building, man. It's amazing.
Do you know how many? Like here in this base, you can see these are all related to rice farmers. Burning rice ceremony, gathering with the growing of rice, because in the past, most of the Thai people are rice farmers. They plant, they harvest, and then they pray for the rain. Over there, that is decorated with Ramayana epic. And that reflects the truth of life, that in every society, there's always good and bad. But eventually, our aim is the good will always win over evil. But it all depends on all of us. If you are astounded in its beauty here, you will be more amazed at the other side. It's even more beautiful there. Watch your step. Be careful, everyone. Wait for me inside. All right, this way, everyone over here. You can go inside first. You can go inside first. You can go inside. It's much better inside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can wait for me inside. This way, everyone over here. You can go inside first. Everyone over here. Come up, come up. Come up, everyone, this way. All right, this way, everyone over here.
Amazing stuff, yo. Oh. Interesting information, guys. It's actually pretty nice to get that information. You know, usually you don't get that information. So wow, look at this, man. This is amazing. Look at how high that is. Whew. What? This is astonishing. Totally worth your time, man, to come here. Totally worth it. Wow, the level of detail, man. Look at that.
Now, any one of you recognize him? Does any one of you know him?
Former king?
Uh-huh. The king, right?
All right, guys, we just got the tour done, and now we got some free time to just walk around and actually explore this area. But we've actually seen pretty much every part of this sanctuary. So this is a really interesting building with a lot of stories behind it. So they were explaining like the truth of this sanctuary, like life in general and how you want to be treated by other people, those kind of things. It was a good like experience of what life is about. Like, do you want to be surrounded by negative people, or do you want to be treated like how you want to be treated? Those kind of things. It was really interesting. So yeah, let's see more of the outside, yo. Like, walk a little bit on the side. So we're looking out of the building, as you can see. Also here, this is a magnificent place, man. Sanctuary of Truth. Everyone should come here, man. If you don't come here, it's like you're gonna miss out, you know. Oh, this one is under construction. Beautiful. Yeah, she was explaining like which day you were born, Saturday, Sunday. Ooh, look at this. That is so impressive. You can see it on the outside, like how they constructed the whole building. That is really impressive. And it's not like it's like carved stuff. Look at this. It's all carved. Carved of wood. It's really beautifully done. Never stops amazing, man. This is really a number one thing to visit in Pattaya, man. Definitely do this. It's got a nice story behind the tour. So all the time I was amazed, like she was talking and I thought, wow, that's a really nice story, man. She was telling. And every corner has something, you know. It's like a plus shaped kind of building, but it's really big. So and there's tours like every 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I don't know. Lots of English tours. And this is the spot that they were talking about. Like, you can see it over here. There's like a balcony thing here. Yeah, the balcony stuff. This is balcony stuff. But I don't really do much with these photos if I take a photo here. But it's cool. Like, if you want to take a photo here, it's like, that's nice. It's actually quite okay without sunglasses. But really nice place to visit, man. So I'm really pleased how this turned out. Like, super nice tour, nice people. I donated like 100 baht for the tour guide because she was so nice in explaining stuff. And she deserved it, man. It's like she did an amazing job. She had like vibes, you know, and you could see it in her like passion, you know. It's like, well, we're done here, so I think we're gonna meet up with Bunya So, ooh, look at this, man. It's like relic stuff, yo. You can walk down over here. This is really beautiful. Some statues here. The seventh truth. The beginning of society. It's the final path. Right, man. Definitely a 10 out of 10, man. This is a 10 out of 10. People should come here. When you go to Pattaya, come here. This is the first thing you need to do, man. If you don't come here, you will regret it. But yeah, there's a bunch of things you can do as well, like elephant rides and pony rides, horse riding. But you don't need that stuff. You can also like skip this whole part. It's like extra exit. This is where we need to go. But it's impressive. Maybe I should take a picture of that from here. Look at that amazing shot, man. This is the shot. This is crazy, man. Like an Eiffel Tower. There is something with Eiffel Tower shit, you know, they be doing that shit everywhere, man. Like in Macau, in Thailand. Who does that, man? That's crazy. I gotta find Bunya first. Well, really nice. A nice store. I mean, shopping mall. I mean, Terminal 21 Pattaya. That is nice, yo. Eiffel Tower, you don't have to go to Paris, man. This is it. This is the dream. The dream. Do we need to go one more up? Oh, yeah. Bloody bunny? It's like proper Christmas vibes, you know? That's proper Thailand. Thailand always over-exaggerate and stuff. Lucky cat. Oh, one more. All right, man. That is, we're trying to reach the food court, guys. We're at Terminal 21 right now, and crazy floors, man. Are we gonna even find something? Yeah. How are you going?
These are the restaurants.
Oh yeah.
Because these restaurants take.
I think you need to go fast, right?
Yeah. So after that bubble tea, you look so radiant.
You look like this. You look like this. What the fuck? Whoa. This is Italy. Italy never stops amazing in Thailand, man. You don't have to go to Pisa. Tower of Pisa. They actually replicated this whole thing, man. Look at this. It's crazy. Oh really? Do you have to like upgrade or?
How much are you gonna do?
Yeah, sure.
Not live.
I do have cash if
Yeah, 200. And then once you finish, you just give it back.
get something random, you know, it's like doesn't matter.
Again. Honestly. I had it like for next year.
It looks really good. The Thai, the mango stuff. Wow, there's so much food over here. Crazy. You can also do like this stuff.
Yeah.
It's super cheap, like 30.
Maybe, yeah. That looks nice.
Look at all this food, man. Crazy. You wanna do this one? Oh, in, yeah. Which one you wanna get? Which one? The egg noodles with braised chicken. Ah, okay. Oh, wow. This is easy.
Oh, do you wanna take
Yeah. But,
Oh, so you get soup.
yeah, it's crazy.
Okay. Find a place.
Oh yeah. Let's find a table first.
It's like finding a bar. Yeah, that woman.
Yeah, you can sit there. Yeah. Should we get one more dish or is this okay?
Walk around.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get whatever you want.
Yeah, I'll just take a look. All right, guys, what were you gonna get, man? It's actually hard to decide what you want to eat, man. Got the braised chicken with spicy basil sauce. Yeah, this one. This one. Food court, man. This one's me? I had to go for the spicy chicken.
It's 15 minutes as long as we're done by 3.
Oh yeah,
Traffic is heavy.
I eat super fast, man. Oh, okay.
I think the first app, yeah, they changed it. It was supposed to go from 4. They changed from 3. So people going at 3.
Oh, really?
So we're gonna leave no later than 4:30.
Oh yeah, we can get ready super fast, right? That's right.
Yeah, I just need to change what needs to be different.
The spicy basil chicken. It's really nice.